Donald Trump. I'm just playing. I'm gonna be making a tribute. I don't know for who, but whoever that is on the thumbnail. Anyways, guys, before we begin, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think about this beat. Yeah, Danko. And I'll be posting each and every day, so please check all my videos. I got new videos each and every day. I'll post each and every day.
Fuck Jay-Z.
Danko. I got this loop from Helpsist. Go check him up on Instagram, and yeah. Now on the master channel, I added a fruity clipper so that it can sound hard. I'm gonna edit crispy clap to boost another one. Then I added some hi-hats. On these hi-hats, as you can see, they are not equal. On the control track, control menu, I don't know what's called, but yeah, it's not equal, and I did not add any effect. After that, I add some open hats. On this 808, I added a fruity soft clipper to make it sound loud enough and powerful enough, hard enough. And then I added another 808, but this one is different. It's one of those Yeet 808s, you know, the one that sound hard. I added a lot of things on this one. I added a fruity soft clipper and this other thing right here. It's called wave on and primary Q2 thumb. Then I add some kicks. Now let's play the full beat. Wait, let me not forget my tags. I gotta put my tags on. Oh my god, my tags, my beautiful tags. Now let's play the beat.